Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today is Collab Day. It's the Brewed Beauties Collab Day, hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992, and the other ladies in the collab are Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, and Erica from Erica Sue Nail and More. Please like and subscribe to those women and go watch their videos and say hello to them. This week's collab theme is Emerald, which is the birthstone for May. So obviously it's going to be a green look. Um, I know a lot of you hate Jeffree Star, and that's okay. Um, I don't really support him anymore either, but a lot of these palettes I got as gifts, and I bought before, and I paid good money for them, and I'm going to use them until they're gone. So that's how I feel about that. So I am going to be using Jeffree Star's Blood Bunny palette. It's a beautiful palette. I can remember when I got it. I mean, just it's beautiful. So emeralds. I don't know much about emeralds. I was gonna look it up and all that, but that drags the video out way too much. So I'm going to go in to mint condition first. Just like put a little bit of a base color. Emeralds, I mean, come in all kinds of shades of green from what I read. The most, of course, the darker green shade is preferred. I'm just going all over the lid with this, just to give me a little base coat of green. I've been pre-filming all day, so if you notice I'm in the same shirt, I am. This is video number 3 today. This will probably be the last one today because my face is getting sore from washing makeup off and putting it back on, if I must be honest. Alright, so you can see for whatever reason it doesn't want to stick there, but that's okay. We'll deal with it. I really like greens, and I really love this palette. It's a shame that Jeffree has the reputation that he does, because I will give the man that. He does do a good job with makeup. So, I'm going to go in to the outer corner with Crocodile Tears. I'm just patting it on at first. I have hooded eyes, so there's a little bit of a wrinkle there. I can do a different brush. But this is what happens when you age. We all do it. There's no stopping it. I'm not a Botox person. I'm not going to go get fillers. And yes, I hate my smoker's lines and the deep lines. But I'm a happy person and I smile a lot. So I earned these wrinkles. And I'm glad I'm trying to age gracefully, growing in my gray. I quit dyeing my hair in 2020, like a lot of us did, and I've been sticking with it. It's hard. I get bored with it. I used to be one that would change my hair color, like with the seasons. And go darker in the winter, lighter in the summer, etc., etc. And now it's just the same. And it's kind of odd. I expected it to grow in. My eyes are two different shapes. To grow in like all the same. But it didn't. It's more gray in the front and sides, but it's still brown in the back. Brownish red, like my normal color. See how different? So in the back, so it's like two-toned anyway. And I have been considering maybe dyeing it, but I don't know if I want to. After all I went through to grow it out, I don't know if I want to. That's as even as I'm getting it. Alright, let me blend that a little bit. It is a pretty green now. Go back in with mint condition. Just a little heavier. I can't wait to see the other girls' looks. I love green looks. Especially our brown-eyed girls. I think green looks so nice on brown-eyed girls. Alright. It's not going to be a real complicated one today. We're going to go into Emerald Estate. I'm going to try it with a brush. I've never used it on a brush. And go in the center. And of course, no. I don't like that. Finger it is. So that's Emerald Estate. It's a really pretty color. I don't know, it's a shame. I wish Jeffrey could, be a better person or grow a little bit. He makes good makeup and really cool color combinations. And I know people say his palettes are expensive, but they're really not. I mean, the colors that you get, or the amount of colors in your color story. I don't know. I see that there's a video. I'm going into Poison Ivy. I'm just gonna brighten that up a little bit. There's some videos coming out where they said they're gonna reveal the truth about the beauty community. Dustin Daly said I really like him. I like a lot of the drama channels. I like Peter Mon, and I like Rich Lux, and I like Dustin Daly. I mean, I know Dustin and Rich have had a little bit of a falling out, I guess. I'm going to go into Money Heist. It's like a gold color, and I'm just tapping that. Barely there. Has a green shift to it, too. Alright. That looks alright. Let me see. It's just a shame because I don't know. I haven't seen, he hasn't put his video out yet. And it's kind of going to be like a documentary, and I'm really curious about it. And I don't want it, I mean, regardless, I bought this makeup. I got it as, you know, as gifts. And I'm going to use it until it's gone. Regardless of how I feel about the man, because I, you know, hold on one second, let me grab my, there we go. The last palette I bought was Psychedelic Circus, and I knew, you know, I wasn't going to, and Color Story was so beautiful, and I broke down and did it. And I know that puts money in his pocket. And I don't agree with everything he does. But I don't disagree with everything he does either. And we all make mistakes. And we all do things we're not proud of. Is that blue or green? That's more blue. I'm looking for something that might be a little... I don't know. You think I should go with brown? I don't know. I'll be right back. Let me look through my thing. Okay, I am back. So I ended up using, it's called Emerald by Jordana, the eyeliner. Sorry guys, I always forget that's on. And the Level Up ColourPop mascara. And I use the Aries lip gloss by Luxe. I think it's Luxe. Or ColourPop, the Luxe. The Aries one. It's comfortable. I kind of like Manny's better. And I just use the e.l.f. blush that I always use. And this is my look. This is my emerald look. So, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to be reminded of every time I upload, or notified, I mean. And please go check out the other girls. This is the Brewed Beauty collab hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. There's also Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna by My Nails and More by Johna, and Erica from Erica Sue Nail and More. Please go over and check out those ladies' looks and see what they came up with. This is my emerald look. So, until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.